SLS bi-turbo car coming up. It's about 1,200 horsepower, and last year they did 290 some kilometers an hour. So they're really hoping for that 300 today.
The silver GAD car just showed up.
Oh, it is here?
Yeah.
I think it is. It looked like it and it sounded like it.
Yeah. No timing.
Ja, und ich sehe hier im Vorstadt schon
Oh,
301,00.
Ah, they got that 300 they wanted. That's badass. Oh, it's getting serious now. 301.
Yes.
Nicely done. Are there any SLSs that are faster in the half mile?
We don't think so, no.
Yeah. There's not many.
Maybe faster than 260.
So you think taking the wing off is going to help you?
Yes, we want more.
We want more.
.5,9. 2,72,72. .297, 297, 297, auch nicht mehr weit. So, und jetzt der nächste von GAD, der C3. So. Schade auch jetzt nicht mit 289, 62. PS im SLS.
290 something on that one?
Sorry?
290 something? 290?
299.
You change anything for this? Nothing, just go again? It's like climbing into a cage without a cage.
We have to drive a flow boost
Okay,
because we changed the setup.
that's fine.
To drive the race boost, I have to fill up 15, I think around about 15 liters of race fuel.
Oh yeah, don't worry about that.
And race fuel, 1 liter roundabout cost €8 in Germany.
Just going for a ride will make me happy.
I think with this setup we drive right now, we must have round about 1,000 horses, and that race boost must be 1,200 as well. Round about 1,200 horses, you don't catch 300 kilometers.
Yeah,
on
exactly.
Mercedes, with full interior and something else.
Yeah.
We drive here to warm up the engine, and you feel by yourself the car is complete normal.
Yep.
You can really drive this car daily.
So you went 301 today?
Yes.
Nice.
We run 301, exact 301.
I think that's like 187 miles an hour.
Exact.
And it's crazy. You probably can't tell on video, but it's like super wide. There's so much room. I've never been in one of these before. You're like, you have so much room between each other. All right.
Ready?
I'm ready.
Fuel and tank.
It's so smooth too.
Yes, you feel it. You can drive complete smooth.
Yep.
And if you shift down.
Damn. It revs so fast too.
You see, we got nothing changed in this car.
Yeah, it's all factory.
Complete stock interior.
Full carbon, matching phone.
Of course. You can drive complete normal. Guy's doing everything by himself.
Yeah.
Stopping, now we are in S+. You can drive comfortable.
And you can cruise around and everyone thinks it's factory. It's not loud. That's important here in Germany. And probably Dubai too.
There's also one wish from customer to drive undercover.
Yeah.
If you have one really big exhaust system with straight pipes or something else, everybody knows, okay, something is not correct with the car.
Mm-hmm.
But in this car you have some understatement, and I think this is really important.
You don't know that you've more than doubled the horsepower. It sounds basically factory.
Exactly.
I love it. Well, thank you for the ride.
You're welcome.
Love the car.
Every time.
I think this is my favorite car so far here. That's amazing.